Shiba Inu just hit a major milestone. Here's why it's important, and here's what's going to happen next with the coin. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro. Make sure to like this video, guys. Let's get this video to 500 likes, guys. You guys killed it with the like goal last video, guys. It was absolutely incredible. So let's get this video to 500 likes. Make sure to comment down below if you guys are still holding Shiba Inu Coin, what your guys' thoughts are, what's going on today, tomorrow, and the next day. Let me know if you guys are still holding, how much you're holding. I want to know it all, guys. We'd love to see your takes, opinions, and conversations down in the comments section below every video. It's always awesome to see the community that we've been able to build on this channel. And of course, the Shiba Inu army is always and will always remain very strong. Sorry, ooh, voice cut out there, guys. Thanksgiving Day, little windy out here in California. You guys know how it goes. Let me switch real quick here to my, let's see if I'm on, let's switch here real quick on Streamlabs. Oh, there I am, guys. Hey, what's up? I just wanted to do this real quick, guys. First of all, I just want to say thank you for everybody who has supported the channel so far and everything that you guys have done for us. It's just incredible stuff, and I'm so incredibly grateful for everything that we're able to do on YouTube, on all of our social media platforms, guys. You kill it. Like, you kill it every single time with all the support that you guys show for us and Finance Bro as a whole, guys. It is so incredibly awesome, and I am just incredibly grateful. I just wanted to say that real quick, but let's get to the news, guys. You guys know how it goes. All right, let's talk about it. So Shiba Inu, we're up 14%. We were up 20% just about an hour ago. We are seeing a little bit of a red candle here start to form, but again, not a big candle. Not too worried about it yet. I do think that as long as we can continue to make higher highs and higher lows, which seems like the momentum that we're kind of faced with right now, it seems like we're probably going to be looking at that anyways. Again, not super worried about it either way. Hey, either way, this is a long-term hold for me, guys. I said this in every single video, and that was the other thing, guys. If you aren't already subscribed, you really should think about doing it, guys. We were talking about this coin forever, even after this huge 50% decrease that we saw from previous highs. Again, we were making videos about this every single day, talking news, technical analysis, and very critical stuff. And if you guys were watching my videos, I basically said in the video previous to this that I made just yesterday, and it has like 23,000 views now, so clearly people flocked to it and understood what I was saying now after the fact. But I said, hey guys, if this double bottoms, if it double confirms under the RSI, the 30 level, right, meaning that it is oversold, usually when that type of movement or when that type of momentum happens, we see a breakout towards the upside, and that was pretty much exactly the case here. We saw a huge pump towards the upside all the way up to about the 438 level, the 44 level, which is just beautiful either way. And now we are kind of having a little bit of selling pressure here, likely from people taking profits at those highs. But again, I do think that is going to kind of stagnate and going to hopefully stop with the selling pressure, and the buying pressure will kind of take back over, and we'll start to get some more green candles here, hopefully relatively soon. That being said, let's talk the milestone, guys. This is the big piece of news today. I'm going to give my thoughts on it and what I think this means basically for the future of this coin. Shiba Inu is up 18% amid a 1 million Shib holders milestone, guys. So the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has seen a massive price surge today as the project registers a record number of token holders. Let's read a little bit about it. So the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has surged over the price of 0.0040 is basically 44 today, marking an 18% price increase in the last 24 hours. Again, it was a little bit higher than that before this article was written, but obviously I digress. The price surge has come amidst a record-setting 1 million Shib holders announced by the official Shiba Inu Twitter account earlier today. Such a proud and amazing milestone for the Shib army. Shib reaches 1 million holders. That was what the account tweeted. Today we all cheer and celebrate the great moment in Shib's history, the team also added. Aside from the 1 million holder milestone tweeted earlier today, it's been an eventful month for Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. And of course, Shiba Inu also made headlines not too long ago. In the recent weeks, Shiba Inu has also had several headlines. One example of this was when Gemini announced that it was going to be adding the Dogecoin rival, and of course, Shib arrived on Gemini's shores alongside other notable currencies. Again, we've had some very interesting stuff as far as the kind of the weird, what's the word? I guess the exchange listing announcements that we've seen, right? We saw Kraken kind of tweet something out and kind of make a really cryptic statement about adding Shiba Inu and saying, oh, vote on this tweet if you guys want to get Shiba Inu on our platform, and then nothing, right? We haven't really heard much of anything from them since then. And again, that is kind of something for speculation overall. But again, guys, the big focus here is the fact that we are now at 1 million Shib holders, which is obviously a very big deal. The red candle shrinking, by the way, as I'm making this video live. We always love to see it. But either way, it's a very big deal that we hit 1 million holders, because 1 million holders is a big signifying thing, I guess you could say. Not only in the sense that obviously now the community is much bigger, much larger. It's growing, right? Obviously, that's a good sign. But The other thing is, the more people that are holding this coin, the more people that are aware of its existence, and the more people that are actively taking part in the community, whether it's buying it, trading it, talking about it, whatever it is, helps the coin in the long run, guys. And that's why this million holder mark is such a big deal. We also have a little bit of movement that could be attributed to whales. Again, if you look at this huge green candlestick here, I believe there's some rumored speculation about a whale burning a massive amount of Shiba Inu tokens that they were holding. And again, that might be kind of why we're seeing this huge green candle here. Again, hopefully this red candle remains very small, so that way we can see a continued push towards the upside. But again, guys, I just want to talk to the community for a second, because the community is, at the end of the day, the driving factor of this coin. What you guys talk about on social media, how often you talk about this coin, what you're doing, if you're buying it, if you're selling it, if whatever you are doing impacts this coin, I think a lot more than most people would like to admit or even realize, right? And it's so important that we as a community can stay strong, we can stay firmly planted in our positions and in our feet, and know that, hey, this is a long-term hold for me. And even though there's a nice little green day today and there is a really great cause for celebration, it doesn't mean that we still have our long-term, I guess, vision of where we want this coin to go out of our minds, right? That's always there. It's always, present and relevant to what we're doing, which is obviously keeping up with this coin, right, at the end of the day. But again, guys, I just want to know in the comments below if you guys are still holding this coin, what your guys' overall kind of takes are on it. I know all of you guys have some really, really interesting stuff to say about it, quite a bit of time. And again, I just want to talk a little bit too, because we have seen some very interesting stuff going on lately on Twitter. I'm going to pull Twitter up really, really quick here, just so we get a kind of a better idea of what's been going on. Again, I would scroll my timeline, but I actually just want to go straight to Shiba Inu news. They have a great selection of Shib news that we can kind of go over. This was the 1 million holders kind of little piece of news there that we talked about there. Very cool stuff indeed. Again, stuff about the 1 cent dream, McDonald's kind of stuff. We also have some big whales that were doing some buying not too long ago. There was a whale that bought, literally, I believe it was 2 days ago or even yesterday, I believe, 36 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. And again, they bought at the pretty much very bottom of that dip when the RSI was well below the 30 level, super oversold, right? Everybody thought, all right, this is it. Shiba Inu is going home. Like, we're done. GG. Not the case, however, as you can see here. We have now obviously pushed massively towards the upside. And of course, we've already formed a higher low, so to speak. And then now we have formed another high, and hopefully now we can form another higher low and continue that pattern up and up and up, guys. But again, just going over some quick news here. We also have an exchange listing. I talked about this in a previous video today that was listed in South Korea that will be listing Shiba Inu coin as well. We also have this, guys. This was actually a really good tweet that I covered in yesterday's video where I talked about the kind of volume and stuff, guys. The volume is at 50.68%. There's almost 3 billion people. Again, if you have a long-term kind of outlook on this coin, you shouldn't be worried about the day-to-day price action, right? You're worried more about the actual news that's coming out, whether it's the NFT stuff, their game studio, Shibarium, the actual blockchain that they're working on, and a bunch of other factors that play into these types of things. Because in my opinion, that is what is so critical and so important. As you can see, they even made a nice little kind of video graphic here. Shib Army milestone, hashtag Shib Army. And then as you can see here, Shib token reaches 1 million holders worldwide. Your pop, shout out to this guy, really cool guy, makes some great videos on Shiba Inu as well. And then of course people are posting their dogs and they're trying to post other coins, but mostly Shiba Inu is very, of course, still very popular and still very relevant in all of this. This is actually an interesting little announcement by Shytoshi himself. As promised, tomorrow I'll have a new medium giving details about Shiba Inu games and introduce the consultant lead who will work directly with the AAA game studio. I'm so grateful for you, Ryoshi Research, and the entire Shib Army. And again, that's them talking about the AAA game that they're actually working on with Shiba Inu. And again, that could be really cool, guys. This could be a potential big burn, mechanism that they might be implementing through the game, right? Either you earn NFTs through the game, or you could be burning tokens somehow through the game, or even earn Shiba Inu itself through the game, which I think will be a really, really cool thing. And it's definitely something that we'll probably play on here for you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And also, we'll read his Medium article probably in the later videos today, so make sure you subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss that when we do actually put those videos out, of course, guys. But either way, let's wrap this whole video up. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe, guys. If you haven't already, hit the link down in the description below for Public. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets, guys. We are personally on public. If you guys want to see our personal portfolios for both stock and crypto and see what we're talking about on public, you guys can follow us by signing up for the link down in the description below. Deposit $1. That's all you have to do. Deposit $1 and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth up to $70 to $300. Guys, they have a special Thanksgiving limited time offer going on right now. It's only for a very short amount of time, so make sure you guys can get it while you can. Hit the link down in the description below. Sign up, deposit $1, and you guys will get a free stock. And you can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well, guys. But other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.